Okay, so here we have a currency conversion, money exchanger, one of the more practical kind of questions that we get in the GCSE. We're going to change 400 euros into Hong Kong dollars, aren't we, to start with? So what I would do is I'd write down the conversion rate, euros to dollars, and then I'm going to write down underneath how much money I have on one side. So I've got 400 euros. And that means that to get from 1 to 400 I need to multiply by 400. And of course there's an equality sign there, an equal sign, so what you do to one side you must do to the other. So if I times one side by 400, I'm going to times the other side by 400. And 9.3 times by 400 is 3,720. And that's your first answer. Okay? So 400 euros is the same as 3,720 Hong Kong dollars. Okay, next we're going to be converting some dirham from the Emirates. Okay, so I'm going to write down again the exchange rate. 1 euro is equal to 4.4 dirham. Okay, and then I'm going to write down how much I actually got. Okay, so I've got 418 dirham. So the question is, how much do I multiply 4.4 by to get to 418? Well, I don't really know, so I'll get my calculator and do a division. So 418 divided by 4.4 will tell me the how many there are for each one. So each dirham is 95. It's 95 times bigger, in actual fact. Okay. So euro got to also be multiplied by 95. And that gives me 95 euros. Okay. So doing for one side of the equation, what you do to one side, you must do to the other side. So here we have 95 dirham. Right, that last question, on the bottom there, is change 651 Hong Kong dollars into dirham. It's a bit of a pain because we've got to do it in two steps. First of all, we're going to change the Hong Kong dollars into euros. Okay. And then after we change it to euros, we're going to change it into dirham, like the question wants. Okay. So we start off with our 651. So I'm going to start with the euro to Hong Kong exchange rate. So 1 euro equals 9.3 Hong Kong dollars. And I'm going to, underneath the Hong Kong dollars, I'm going to write 651. Okay, because I've got 651 Hong Kong dollars. And of course, the big question is now, how do you get from 9.3 to 651? And of course the answer is, I'm going to find that by doing 651 divided by 9.3, because that will tell me the multiple. Okay, so 651 divided by 9.3 tells me it's 70 times bigger. Okay, so if I times one side by 70, I must times the other side by 70, so 70 euros. But of course we haven't finished because they want to know the answer in dirham, not in euros. So how do we exchange euros into dirham? Well, we've got the exchange rate. 1 euro is equal to 4.4 dirham. And we've got 70. Okay, so clearly I've multiplied that by 70. And if I do it to one side, I do it to the other. So I'm going to times this side by 70. So here we go again. 4.4 times by 70 equals 308. And there we have the answer. Okay, 651 Hong Kong dollars is 308 dirham. There's my three answers. Okay, let's have a little look at the examiner's report. And he said, oh, if you wanted part C, you had to write out a full method like I just showed you. So don't just do it all in your head or on your calculator. Okay, make sure you write down your thought process. Okay, and let's see if we've got the right answers. So here comes the mark scheme. 37. Yep, 95, 308 we did. Okay, well done if you did too.